Welcome to the verdict is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So if you wanna use your power key button, for example double press to the power key to open, for example, the camera app, and you don't know how to do that, you should first open the settings app and then scroll all the way down to the advanced features. After that, tap here to side key and tap to double press switcher to turn on a quick launch option. Now we can see that will open just a camera by double press to the power key. So let's just check it. So press twice to the side key and we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.